Ah, what is this, Bibe? Yes. Gusto ko. Anong number to?
3.
O, hanapin mo nga yung tree.
Okay.
Tree na dot.
Yeah.
Yes. Tapos, anong color?
Purple.
O, kulayan mo yung ano niya ng purple. Come on. Ayan. Purple. O, to.
That one is purple.
Okay po. Ito pa, meron pa dito.
Oh,
I'll go.
Now that one is melon.
Oh, go. Asan yung na tree? Oh, kulayan mo nga yung dito Oh, kulay mo yung ano. Yan. Hindi Ginanon na niya ganyan Kulay mo para maging dot. Ganyan Oh, more. Next is anong next sa tree?
2.
Anong tree? Anong next to?
10.
10. Asan yung 10? Bilang ka nga ng 10 dyan. Saan? Oh.
The one that is brown.
Oh. So, unahin mo yung 1. Okay, go. Brown 1. Oh, go. Kulayan mo na yung brown.
Brown is 1.
Okay.
Okay, where's this one?
Ayan yung brown.
1.
Ito na papakahirap ka pa.
Oh, the hell.
Ah,
One.
very good. Oh, next. Asan yung 2? Anong color?
Orange.
Asan yung 2 dito? Hindi na Hindi na. Very good.
It's orange. It's orange.
Ayun. Galing Oh, 2. Oh, tapos na yung 3. 4 na, 4.
4.
Asan yung 4? Oh, very good. Anong color? Oh, asan yung 4 dito?
There's green in here in the box.
Asan yung 4 dyan? Na bilog-bilog.
4.
Saan? Where? Saan? Ay, bilangin mo kasi. Bilangin mo. Oh. Oh, bilang ka nito. Ilan to? Bilangin mo to. Ganyan mo kasi pag nagbibilang para hindi ka nalilito. Hawak mo.
Okay.
Oh. 1, 2, ganon. No, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, anong nailan yan?
9.
Oh, asan yung 9 doon sa color? Saan yung 9? Ay, nakalimutan na naman. 9. 6 yan. 9. Oh, yan. Anong color?
Pink.
Oh, go.
Not green.
Mamaya na yan. Oh, nakukulay-kulayan na yung table mo.
Where's the pink one? Here.
Purple yata yung hawak mo. Hindi naman yan pink Bigay mo kay mami itong mga to kasi nakukulayan yung table. Tulog na. Go na, go. Mamaya na. Very good. Oh, ito.
Wait, it's 3?
Count mo Huwag kang count mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh.
6.
Oh, asan yung 6 doon?
That one
Very
is
good.
green.
Oh, go.
It's yellow green. Yellow green. Oops. Now we're done. That one?
Next is,
Next is,
ito.
wait. Let's count. 1, 2, it's 4, Mommy.
4? Bilangin mo nga.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very
4.
good. Go.
It's green. Green. It's green, Mommy.
Okay.
Green is a 4. That one is 4.
Very good. Next.
Next.
Ito. Dito mo ilagay, sabi ko. Dito mo ilagay para ano. Yan. O,
Let's
next.
count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
11.
Asan yung 11?
11.
So, asan dito yung 11? Asan dito?
Ayan.
O, asan dyan? 11. 11. O, 17 yun eh. 11.
One.
O.
That one.
O, go. Po, itatin. O, yan. O, asan yung 11 dito?
That one is there.
Very good. Anong color niya?
Yellow, green.
Blue, green.
Green. You like good flowers.
Isang kikot lang. May iubos naman yung ano. O, next.
Oh? Yeah. Where is gone?
Anong gan? Pag ano, walang laman.
Walang malaman.
O, anong ano? Ilan yan? Pag walang laman. It's
It's
0.
well,
O, asan yung 0 dyan?
I don't know. Where's the zero, John?
Asan yung 0 dyan sa numbers? Asan yung 0?
Gone, Ken.
O, wala nga, o. Asan dito yung 0? Asan yung 0 dyan? Yes. O, dahil walang laman, wala kang kukulayan.
Wala.
0.
No.
Ito naman.
Wala laman.
O, walang laman eh. Ito. Dito na tayo. Count mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, asan yung 8?
8.
Anong color?
It's blue.
Ay, tingnan mo maigi yung color ng 8.
8.
Asan yung 8?
That one.
Anong color yan? Blue yan? Oh,
Yeah.
ay, nako.
That's not. Cars works.
Next.
Next.
Oh, count mo.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
O, asan yung 7? Seven. Asan ang 7?
Wait a minute. That one is 7.
Asan yung 7?
That one is
Oh, yes. O, asan 17? Asan yung 17?
17. No.
17.
Wait.
Ito lang muna. Okay.
No.
Oh, 7. O, asan yung 7?
7.
Anong color?
It's a 7. It's a 7 one.
Oh.
It's gray. It's gray. It's gray. That one is gray. Boom.
Next, Ay, meron pa. O, ito. Ilan
It's
to?
time to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Asan yung 10? Yes!
Yay! It's yellow. It's
Oh,
yellow.
yellow.
That means yellow.
Orange yan?
Oh.
Orange din. Ah, yellow pala, yellow.
No,
Sige.
you show
Dark yellow. Okay.
Yellow and
Mm.
that one and that
Mm-mm.
yellow. That two
Parehas
one
sila,
and
no?
That
Oh, gun.
is same lang.
Parehas
Same
sila.
lang.
Parehas.
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 Parehas lang.
Color is all correct.
Parehas lang.
Parehas lang.
Hindi na pwede mag-English si Mami, ha? Tagalog na tayo ngayon. Oh,
Mommy,
next.
that one is same.
Opo, this one. Oh, count mo na to.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, asan yung 5?
5? It is! It is a 5.
Asan yung 5?
No, 5. Oh, it's white. It's white. It's white.
Red? Asan yung red?
Oh, it's that one. Please.
Mm.
That one is white.
Very good.
Oh, oh.
Yes! Finish na!
Parang kasi siya.
Wala yan eh. Zero yan eh. Very good.